Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, or my first video, or what I should say, I don't really know. But in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make like a timer. And this is my way. I don't know, it's maybe some other ways on YouTube, but I figured this way out yesterday, so I just thought, hey, why not just make it a tutorial or something? And right now I'm here, and I'm gonna use this same exact game for every single tutorial that I'm gonna make, until I don't have any more space. But first of all, we're just gonna load into the game. Okay, so we're in right now. I'm just gonna change this Explorer to that little place. So first of all, guys, you just want to make a starter GUI, because we're gonna make this inside a GUI, of course. Inside this screen GUI, I'm gonna insert a text label and call this timer. And I'm gonna do it with seconds, minutes, and hours. You can maybe just do it with seconds. That's what I did in the start on my normal game that I'm working on right now. Yeah, and right now I'm using only minutes, but I'm trying to figure out, I know how to do it. It's just annoying to do it, so I decided why not do a tutorial on it first, and add some hours, because it's pretty annoying to do it, because it's so many things that you need to do. Okay, I'm just gonna say 0, 0, 0, and that is gonna be our thing. We're gonna use scale, of course, on the size. Don't use offset, just a general tip. 0.2 maybe, just so you see. It should not be this big, but just so you get the thing. I'm just gonna make it a bit more nice. 0.3 maybe. Yeah, looks good. You see a bit through it, but not too much. I don't know, should I use something like this? Yeah, it actually looks cool, I don't know why. Okay, so inside this timer, we're gonna insert a local script, and we're gonna call that timer2. And inside here, we're gonna insert 3 int values. So 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna use sec, min, and we're also gonna say hour. So inside this script, we're also gonna, first of all, we're gonna say wait, and then local s is equal to script.sec, and then we're also gonna say local m is equal to script.min, and then local h is equal to script.hour. So if s, then, so this is, if it is seconds, if they exist, it's gonna do everything inside here. So we're gonna say script.parent.text is equal to we're gonna say 0, and then 2 dots, and then we're gonna say h dot. Actually, I'm gonna do another thing. So this is just a lazy way. Local sv, or small sv is equal to s dot value. Local mv is equal to m dot value, and then local hv is equal hv is equal to h dot value. So I'm just gonna say that, and then hv dot that little thing. We're gonna say 0 mv, just like this. 0 sv. So first of all, we have this 0 because we don't have any like 10 hours or anything. So always 0 before everything because this before this change. And then we're gonna say sv.change connect function, and inside here we're gonna do every time this value inside seconds, every time that changed, everything here is gonna do it. Okay, so before everything goes on, right now we need a while true do. So every second we're getting 1 second. So while true do, I'm gonna say sv equals sv plus 1. And before this, right now it just keeps on going, literally every time. So we're gonna use wait 1 second before that happens, and then 1 second, and then that happens over and over again. So we get 1 second for every second. I'm just gonna try this. So if I'm just gonna try this right now, just so you get the thing. So we should get 1 every time here. Wait, we haven't fixed this, right? I forgot. We're just gonna do S, not an SV. So now it should work or not. Let's see what I did wrong right now. If S, then and then inside here, if S V is more than equal to 10, then, so if the seconds is more than 10, we're just gonna delete this. So we should not have a second before it. No, yeah, right, that's right. And we're also gonna have a if SV is less than equal to 10, then the same thing but with a 0. So let's try this and hope it works now, otherwise I don't know, to be honest. Wait, did I script .parent.text is equal we don't even get a second. Let's try value is equal to s dot value plus 1. Let's try if we get seconds now. We should get seconds, which is pretty weird, to be honest. I think it's something wrong with this, to be honest. Because if we set like this to maybe like 11, this one to maybe like 32 hours, wow, and then 45 maybe, we're gonna see here that it probably shows up. Yeah, exactly. It shows up, so it is something wrong with this. Let's actually do sec min and hour. Sec min hour, then sec. We're gonna delete these because we're not gonna do it the lazy way anymore. And then we're gonna dot value sec dot value hour dot value min dot value sec.value. Sec.value is equal to sec.value plus 1. Yeah, there we go, now it works. Now we get 1. I don't know what the freaking problem was, but now we get plus 1 for every single time, or for every second. So I'm just gonna put everything to 0 now, and let's see. Look at this. It goes up, and when we hit 10, it should delete this 0 and put a number, like number 1 here instead. It doesn't. Oh, it was more than 10. Then we're gonna do more than 9. And then less. Let's see if this works. Let's see if it goes up more than 10 now. And then boom, hits. It still goes like that, so I think the problem is this can be 10, but this has to be 9. Let's see if it works now then. Many tries, you know. It's some tries, you know, but yeah, it works. Let's see here. Hit 10 and it goes just like that. Perfect, but now every time we hit, I'm just gonna show you, if we hit like 55 here, so it's gonna go over 60. So it's gonna go more than 60. So it doesn't convert to hours directly. Look, just like that, and it goes over 60. And if you don't know how to do this, this is a super simple fix, but just if sec.value is more than equal to 60, then min.value is equal to min.value plus 1, and sec.value is equal to 0. And then we're gonna do the same thing for minutes. If min.value is more than equal to 60, then hour.value is equal to hour.value plus 1, and then min.value is equal to 0. So let's try this again. Let's see. I've already recorded for 13 minutes and we haven't even come anywhere. So now we should convert to, yeah, perfect. I'm just gonna try this on 59 here, just like that, and let's see if it converts to hour. Let's see. Yeah, of course it's a 0 there because we haven't fixed this yet. And boom, it goes directly to a 0 there. Okay, so we have that now. I'm just gonna delete these two. We have to delete them if we're gonna have hours and minutes too. So inside these, we're gonna do everything that we need to do. So we're also gonna say if min.value is more than equal to 10, then, and then we're also gonna have a if hour.value is more than equal to 10, then. And just like that, here we have everything when everything is more than 10. And we're also gonna have a thing inside this one, which is gonna be if hour.value is less than equal to 10, then everything inside that thing should happen. So we're also gonna do the same thing here with minutes. If min.value is less than equal to 10, then these two should also be the same thing, just like that. So here we just have if it's less or more than 10 in the seconds. So now we should copy this and post it, or what I should say, inside there. And here we have the whole script right now, almost. Now we're just gonna change the text for every time something happens. So I'm just gonna copy this text. And first of all, if seconds and everything. So this means if seconds, minutes, and hours is more than 10, then we're gonna delete this 0 on everything. So 0 is deleted, 0 is deleted, and 0 is deleted. Oh, boom, just like that. And here, if everything except the hour is more than 10, then we're gonna delete the 0 on these two. Just like that. Inside here, it's gonna be if the minutes is that, we're gonna delete that one. The hours, we're gonna keep the 0 on the minutes, but we're gonna delete it on the seconds again. So yeah, it's a bit of work right now, but it's very nice. Okay, so right here I'm gonna say script apparent. Okay, so this is if the minutes and the hours, so we're gonna have the 0 on minutes and hours, but not on the seconds. Here we're gonna have the seconds too, so we're gonna have the 0 on the seconds always. Here we're gonna have deleted on the hours and the minutes. Here we're gonna keep it on this one and this one, but we're gonna delete it on the minutes. Just like that. Perfect. So here we have if seconds and minutes is less, then we're gonna keep the 0 on there, but we're gonna delete it right here. And then the same thing here, but everything is a 0. Because less than 10 in hours, less than 10 in minutes, and less than like 10 here. Or I think we need to have 9, to be honest, if it's less. 9. Yeah, I think that's it. Anything else? Yeah, here. Gonna change this to a 9. And just like that, here we have the script, guys. It is a bit of work, I know, but now it should work. I'm gonna take this a bit quicker to 0.01 to see that everything works like it should. Oh, I forgot about that thing. I forgot about these. It's gonna be 0, 0, and 0 on the hours. Okay, let's see here. It goes up, and we get 1. It goes up and up and up, which is very good. Let's try some more 0s. Okay, so now we should go really quick. Okay, never mind, it goes normal. And I literally thought that. Okay, but that just makes it work. So here we have this whole thing inside this. It is a lot of script, I know, but it is worth it. We have a timer now that counts. Yeah. That was everything for today's video, guys, and if you did enjoy this video and if you want to see more scripting in Roblox videos, then tell me some ideas in the comment section. I can't do much at all. I'm a beginner scripter myself. I started like 2 months ago, and took some breaks because I tried to learn Unity, but yeah, I learned it a bit, but I thought this was a bit more fun. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.